We're making hot dog. I did 12. Hot dog is nice when you have a little bit of onion and lots of cheese. Okay. Eating is fun when you have the right food that will give your heart joy. That's what I do. That's what I do everything that I can give to people. My time here is not forever. Everything has a time. My time is limited. Okay? So, now we put the onion. We put the onion. See, I use red onion so that the food has color. And then I put cheese. I do 12. I did bacon and egg muffin as well. All the cheese. Cheese. Cheesy cheese. People say, is there a cheese in this? Of course there's a cheese in this. Hot dog is not nice without cheese. I think that's a secret ingredient of food, the cheese, the dairy. Okay. And now we're gonna put some more of that, and that, and that. And then this is going to the oven. This is going to the oven. Then the next batch will be the same. Tomato sauce, the hot dog, the onion, and then the cheese. Wow. I love the job that I do because it's like making origami. Not origami. It's more like doing arts and crafts. The best thing in life is making other people happy, especially people who go hungry. Now, do the cheese. Do the cheese. If I can make my life very happy by helping other people, that's what I wanted to do. What else would I want in my life? My children are grown up. They have their own life. You know? That's it. My hot dog is ready. Okay. I'm going to put this one in the oven too.